go! And this is actually one of the hardest parts. The Jungle Gyms all the way over the Safari Sands have cornered them. That is a quick maneuver. Police normally use that to take out chasing individuals. Now, the Jungle Gyms are trying to recover, but the Safari Sands have recovered first, making their way to Dash first. The Jungle Gyms are recovering though. They are turning and heading right on the heels of the Safari Sands. Oh guys, I can't hear you. Start cheering on your team. They need your cheers. It looks like the Safari Sands have made it to the right place. So they're rounding the corner around to Tahiti. The Jungle Gyms seem to be turning around as well. Heading over to Tahiti. Lee has not remained in her sitting position, so she has just started rowing from the ground of the boat. That is very impressive. Great dedication from Lee.
Someone in the boat has to tag.
I would not count them out. They are some of the fastest paddlers in the world. Here comes the Safari Sands. Their kayak team is ready to go right afterwards. When do they hit the beat?
Order back. This is the final.
Already to tie the hand. Wilshire has disembarked from the boat to tie the hand in. The kayak is off for the Safari Sands. Again, this is where it gets tricky. Ozzy has jumped onto the kayak. Very difficult technique. The Jungle Gyms are now making their way out. Shaggy and Ozzy are absolutely flying towards the lifeboat. Safari Sands, your team's in the lead. Let's cheer. Jungle Gyms, they need your support. Go out and cheer the faster than we go. And they're starting to disembark. And the Jungle Gyms are disembarking. Shaggy and Ozzy are rapidly making their way towards Speedo and Blue, who are going to be the final leg of the race. Remember, the only way the stand-up paddleboard can move is if Blue is hula hooping. Uh-oh, Speedo's taking off a little bit too soon. He has to wait for Blue. All right, guys, let's see if they can do this. He has to be hula hooping while on a sinking, apparently, stand-up. And the kayak from the Jungle Gyms is catching up. The stand-up paddleboard seems to be an issue for the Safari Slam team. They have not made very much progress. Oh, and they're about to have a collision. Oh, they have recovered that. Oh, these hips are having troubles with this hold on the stand-up paddleboard. The Jungle Gyms are catching up. And the Jungle Gyms paddleboard is off. Once again, they have won. Oh, there we go. Blue is moving on, and he has fallen again. Oh, Tiger Lee is hot. Oh, she's doing it. She's spinning around. Oh, 1 foot and guys, keep cheering on your teams. The louder you cheer, the faster they will go. Oh, boy, nothing left. Oh, but they both fall. Well done from the water. It's so close. It looks like they're changing their strategies. Speedo has gone behind the paddleboard, giving more room to Blue so he can move. A great strategy, it seems to be paying off. Tiger Lee and Homo Joe are both in with it. Oh, the wrist technique, that is a European technique that Tiger Lee is using with the hula hoop. But all she is still on. Good recovery from Tiger Lily. They're rounding into Tahiti. This is the final straightaway. The Pirates and Hardware Joe seems to be taking over. It looks like Speedo and Hardware Joe are jostling for control of the Safari Sand paddleboard. And Blue is still, that is great technique from Blue. On stand-up paddleboard hula hooping. That is not an easy thing to do, especially when your stand-up paddleboard is being fought away. And they're all in the water. They are neck and neck again, guys. Blue is recovering very quickly. Hardware Joe is good with the backstroke. A very interesting technique. The finish line is being set up over here with Shaggy. This is the finish line over here to our left competitors. The finish line has been set out. And Minnesota there's only one body length separate the teams. Yeah, everything is still fierce on either side. There's Speedo starting to be able to walk, and he is still moving along the way. Hardware Joe and Tiger Lily are still doing a great job. They have hit the beach. All they have to do is pass the finish line, and Team Safari Sands has won your 2015 Goat Race. Let us hear you scream.